Good morning, friends. This is P. Kumar from Fortiller India Private Limited. As you all know that we are conducting a series on winning streaks software to clarify the doubts and to elaborate certain points, how to use it, what are the terminologies. These series are being carried on. Earlier we have covered almost all the points. Now we are covering how the triggers has to be plotted and how they have to be removed from the screen. So now coming to our software part, we'll now elaborate the things. See, I have opened a Nifty chart here. थोड़ा सा Zoom, vertical zoom we have made. Now just open the control panel by checking it out. Swing trigger you have to check. All the swings are now clearly mentioned. How you have to plot the trigger lines. So first thing you should ensure that while at the start of the day, kindly note it down that by which time first trigger is appearing. Say this is at 10:55. So we will have to go back again and previous day it was at 1:05, right? Sell trigger. So this is the point where from we will start making our target line. You can choose earlier dates also. Much data will be available to you for analysis. But for our working, we will start from here. Because at least we require one more trigger points where from the current day is starting. Now check major trigger. Bring your cursor here. The graph will be plotted at this point. Clearly indicating one of five, right? Price at this level. Here, this level was broken. Price again came back to this level and finally came down. Now we will plot our next trigger point. C. We are seeing a big expansion here. Big expansion means something range bound is suggested. So price is in between these lines. Whole day it has moved. It has been around these points only. This was our first trigger of the day. Second trigger of the day is at this level. Price has gradually, this range has gradually been decreased. So if these lines are broken, then we can expect, yes, there may be a good move upside. Now how we have to clear it? We can clear these lines on the basis of this button. Clear major target line, because all the major targets lines we have plotted here. For earlier days also you can plot it, no issue. Same is the case with, say we will clear these lines. Same is the case with your this trend, this trend. Now to clear these trigger lines, again we can press this button, it will be cleared. Same is the case with bullet string. And to clearing all the lines, we have to press this button. So this is the way we have to plot these trigger lines, at least one before the first entry of the day, right? Means from this point. So I will end for this session, and we shall be meeting in our next session relating to the usage of these trigger lines, how to use it and apply it now. And that will be our last session for this series. So thank you all. We shall be meeting in our next session.